If you can't hold these positions, your body is aging faster than it should. These 5 science-backed exercises determine whether you stay strong or slowly decline. The last one is the movement most people ignore until pain forces you to pay attention. Exercise number 1. Horse stance. Rebuild lower body strength. Number 1. Horse stance. The horse stance is the ultimate antidote to the physical decline that comes with a sedentary lifestyle. While most exercises focus on moving, this isometric hold focuses on rebuilding your foundation. Scientific research shows that the horse stance strengthens the lateral stabilizers of the hip, the exact muscles that prevent falls and fractures as we age. It forces your nervous system to wake up deep muscle fibers that usually stay dormant. For beginners, stand wider than shoulder width, knees slightly bent. Aim for 2 minutes of total time daily. If you're intermediate, bring your thighs closer to parallel. Focus on proper form, build up to 5 minutes. And if you're advanced, thighs parallel to the ground, back vertical. This is where you build the structural armor that protects your joints. Work toward a single 5-minute hold. Takeaway: horse stance is the reset button for your lower body. It turns fragile legs into a solid base. Exercise number 2. Wall sits age-proof. Your knees. Number 2. Wall sits. Wall sits are your insurance policy for joint longevity. As we age, the connective tissues around the knees often weaken due to a lack of stable loading. Studies show that isometric holds help repair tendons and wake up the stabilizing muscles around your knees. This is how you undo the damage from years of inactivity. For beginners, lean against the wall at a high angle. Even a slight bend initiates the repair process. Aim for 2 minutes of total hold time daily. If you're intermediate, slide down to the 90-degree hold. Press your entire spine into the wall. Aim for 5 minutes daily. And if you're advanced, go deeper and vary foot distance. Aim for 10 minutes total throughout the day. Takeaway: wall sits are a biological shield for your knees. Protect them now so they can support you later. Exercise number 3. Plank. Protect your spine. Number 3. Plank. The plank is often misunderstood as just an exercise for abs, but it is a vital tool for spinal protection. It teaches your core to create a natural corset that shields your lower back from injury. Biomechanics research indicates that a strong, stable core reduces the shear force on your spine, preventing the chronic back pain that plagues most adults over 40. For beginners, lie on your forearms, keeping a straight line from head to knees. Hold for 30 seconds, 3 times a day. If you're intermediate, increase the time. Focus on squeezing your glutes and pushing the floor away. Accumulate 3 to 5 minutes daily. And if you're advanced, level up with dynamic variations or side planks to target your lateral stability. Work toward a single 3-minute hold with perfect form. Takeaway: plank is your non-negotiable. It keeps your spine tall and your back pain-free. Exercise number 4. Deep squat. Restore natural mobility. Number 4. Deep squats. In many parts of the world, people sit in a deep squat to eat, work, and socialize well into their 90s. In the West, we've traded this for chairs, which has effectively locked our hips in a cage. The deep squat flushes the hip joints with synovial fluid and stretches the lower back in a way that no foam roller ever could. For beginners, use a door frame or a sturdy table for balance. Allow your hips to sink lower than your knees while keeping your spine long. Hold for 30 seconds. If you're intermediate, squat without support. Keep your heels down. Aim for 2 to 3 minutes daily total. And if you're advanced, settle into the bottom and relax your breathing. Aim for 5 to 10 minutes throughout the day. Takeaway: reclaiming your squat is reclaiming your youth. It's the most natural way to keep your hips fluid and functional. Number 5. Glute bridge. Exercise number 5. Glute bridge. The game changer for pelvis and spine. The glute bridge is the most overlooked secret to longevity due to excessive sitting. Our glutes often fall asleep, causing the lower back to take over and leading to chronic damage. Science confirms that strong glutes are essential for pelvic stability and walking mechanics. This exercise reboots your posterior chain, fixing the muscular imbalances that age your body prematurely. For beginners, lie on your back, knees bent, and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line. Hold for 5 seconds, repeat 15 times. If you're intermediate, hold for 10 seconds at the top. Accumulate 3 minutes of hold time. And if you're advanced, try a single leg glute bridge. This eliminates imbalances and builds elite-level pelvic stability. Takeaway: the glute bridge is the final piece of the puzzle to staying pain-free for decades to come. These 5 exercises are your non-negotiables, but the glute bridge is truly the missing link. For most people, if you want to see what happens to your body when you do them for 100 days, you need to watch this video next. The results will shock you. Start today. Your body will thank you in 10 years.